you get almost like 5 lakh rupees. The accumulation of wealth, you had one share, it will become 2. Long term, they will always win. Positional investor को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Stock market में पैसा बनाया जा सकता है. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and again we're going to talk about wealth creation. आज फिर से हम wealth creation की बात करेंगे कि कैसे पैसिवली स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा बनाया जा सकता है. एंड मैं आपके सामने एक पूरी केस स्टडी प्रेजेंट करूंगी, और जैसा मैंने एक आपके साथ केस स्टडी प्रेजेंट किया था टीसीएस का, और आई थिंक मैंने एक और किसी स्टॉक का भी आपके साथ स्टडी प्रेजेंट किया था, मुझे याद नहीं है, बट ये मैं स्टडी करूंगी एक और स्टॉक के ऊपर और आपको ये बताऊंगी कि अगर आप लेके भूल जाते हैं अच्छी कंपनी के स्टॉक्स, then you don't need to worry, you will make money irrespective which direction market goes. अगर आप एक अच्छी कंपनी के स्टॉक लेके भूल जाते हैं 10 साल के लिए, 20 साल के लिए, और ये सोच लेते हैं कि आपने एक सिप कर ली है, और अगर आप उसको कई सालों बाद देखेंगे आपको डेफिनेटली एक ह्यूज ग्रोथ देखने को मिलेगी. कुछ इसी तरह का हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया है जो आप मेरी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं. 5 लाख, एक्चुअली गलत है, 3 लाख नहीं है, 5 लाख टू 5 CR एंड 30,000 टू 3 लाख. दोनों वीडियो देखिए आप, और यहाँ पे भी मैंने कुछ आप लोगों के लिए, आप यहाँ से देखना शुरू कर सकते हैं 3 दिन पहले से, जब मैंने 10 से 15% वेल्थ क्रिएशन एवरी मंथ पे वीडियो बनाया था. फिर उसके बाद मैंने Q&A टू रोड मैप बताया था, 30K टू 3 लाख. ये सारे वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं, और अगर आपको प्लेलिस्ट देखनी है तो आपको प्लेलिस्ट में ये सारे के सारे वीडियो एक साथ देखने को मिल जाएंगे. तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सम चैलेंजेस जो मैं फेस कर रही हूँ अभी इस समय, वो ये कि मैं दोनों के दोनों ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स को एक साथ मॉनिटर नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. तो एक जगह प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, एक जगह लॉस हो रहा है. तो बट एक हफ्ते के अंदर ही मैं इसका सोल्यूशन निकालूंगी, कुछ भी करूंगी, बिकॉज मे बी अगर आप लोग कोई सोल्यूशन जानते हैं तो मुझे सजेस्ट करिए. जो मेरे दिमाग में एक सोल्यूशन है वो ये सोल्यूशन है कि जो मेरा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है वो है एंजल वन, जहाँ पे मैं ट्रेड कर रही हूँ, और मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये जहाँ पे मैं 5 लाख टू 5 CR कर रही हूँ, इसको भी मैं एंजल वन पे शिफ्ट कर लूँ और दोनों में एक साथ ऑर्डर पंच करूँ. राइट, लाइक वी हैव अ फैसिलिटी जहाँ पे एक साथ रियल टाइम दोनों के दोनों अकाउंट्स में ऑर्डर्स पंच किए जा सकते हैं. तो ये मेरे दिमाग में है. अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई और ऐसी चीज है तो आप मुझे बताइए, ताकि मैं भी आप लोगों से कुछ सीख सकूं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू लर्न फ्रॉम यू if there's anything else that you think can be done in this similar situation, because handling 2 accounts in one go, that means 30K to 3 lakh and 5 lakh to 5 CR is almost becoming very challenging for me. एक में प्रॉफिट हो जाता है और एक में लॉस हो जाता है, तो वो मुझे हैंडल करना है. Okay, so let me present you my today's case study. And so the stock that I'm going to talk about today is Bharat Petroleum, or BPCL. Had you invested 1 lakh rupees in 2000, today the investment would have been 2.65 crores. That means 265 lakh rupees. That means your profit, your capital must have grown by 265 times. And this is just a passive income. You just invest once and forget about it. That's what you need to do. And the way you do with your property, you buy a property and just leave it, let it appreciate with time. Similar thing you can do with the shares. Just buy and then forget about them. So I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain, as I've already told you. SEBI registered research analyst. You can reach out to my team in different ways, or you can go to the description box. You will find the link. You can talk to my team in case you are facing any issue with respect to trading. And let me now present you the case study of BPCL. If BPCL shareholders had bought one stock in August 2020, now the shares will be 12, due to the bonus share issued at 4 occasions since 2000. Now, bonus shares impact. So stock investment is not gambling. In fact, a gambler helps investors make money from the stock market. So positional investors are advised to remain insulated from the short-term sentiments and stick with the long-term conviction that inspired them to choose the stock. So what I want to tell you here, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा अभी मार्केट में कि बहुत ऐसी न्यूज चल रही है कि मार्केट करेक्ट होने वाला है, इंडिया लॉन्ग टर्म रिसेशन में जाने वाला है, सो व्हाट, अच्छा स्टॉक आप हमेशा एक्यूमुलेट कर सकते हैं एट अ लोअर लेवल। पोजिशनल इन्वेस्टर को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ना चाहिए अगर मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है। यू हैव अ होराइजन ऑफ 20 ईयर्स। जब आपका होराइजन लंबा है तो ये शॉर्ट टर्म टर्मोइल आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। You should remain invested. In fact, you should accumulate more. Not like there is so much of buzz at this point of time that the market are heading in the recession. Hold your capital. You know the good stocks. Like I know the good stocks. I know Nestle is good. I know Bosch is good. I know Honey Autowell is good. I know BPCL is good. I know TCS is good. I know Infi is good. I know HDFC banks are good. I will invest when I get them at the cheaper price. Rather, I would say I'll be happy to invest at that time rather than buying it at a higher value. So because a long-term investor not just earns from the stock rally, it earns from the company's general reserves as well. From time to time, listed companies distribute its general reserves to its loyal long-term investors through dividends, bonus shares, and the shares buyback. So you just not get the organic growth in the share, but you also get the bonus share or the dividend, which is actually your extra income. And when I'm calculating this share thing for you, I'm not calculating dividends at all in these 22 years. So a long-term investor has various other means of income that helps him or her to earn much more than a normal short-term trader. So short-term trader, if you ask, if you just take a, you know, what do you say, a poll or if you conduct a survey, you will realize that many short-term traders do not make money. Whereas the long-term investor, they may be short-term in loss, but long-term they will always win. So to understand how long-term investors' return get changed with simple bonus shares issues, one need to look at the BPCL bonus share history. Since December 2000, the state-owned company has announced bonus shares of 4 occasions. In last 23 years, BPCL has shares traded X bonus in December 2012, 16, 17. On first three occasion, it gave a 1:1 bonus share, and in 2017, it declared a 1:2 bonus share. So let's start. What happened when it gave 1:1? Like suppose you had one share, it will become two. Then in 2016, it gave it 2012, it again gave a 1:1. So your two shares will become four shares. Then again it gave 2016, 1:1. That means your four shares will become eight shares. Similarly, 8 BPCL shares will become 8 is to 1.5, 8 into 1.5, because now it gave 1.5 times. So it gave in 2017, your 8 shares will become 12 shares. After issuance of 1:2 bonus shares, so the shareholding of an investor surged to 12 times due to these 4 bonus shares issued by BPCL since 2000. Taking cue from the bonus share impact on shareholders, if any investor had invested 1 lakh in the scrip in the beginning of August 2000, he would have got one BPCL share around 15 or 20 rupees. So the investor would have got 6,667 BPCL shares on investing 1 lakh rupees. In August 2000, these 6,667 shares would have become now 80,000 shares. This is written wrong. This is not 8,000, this is 80,000 BPCL shares due to the bonus shares issuance from 2000 till date. BPCL share price right now is about 331.8. Hence, net worth of the investors who invested 1 lakh rupees in 2000 year 2000 would have been 2 crores 65 lakhs or 2.65 crores. In case there had been no bonus share issued, the real growth of the investors' money would have been 15 to 331.8, around 22 times. This means 1 lakh would have been about 22 lakhs. So it's bonus share impact that turned 1 lakh rupees to 2.65 crores. And I'm going to share you with respect to what happened with the share price and what happened to the dividends. There are multiple times the stock has given dividend, and on each share you get huge amount of dividend. So let's go to the chart and understand how BPCL progressed. So this is the BPCL chart. Imagine, suppose, had you been an investor, this period would have been a great, you know, time of turmoil. Like, this is a period you must have got worried that nothing is happening to the share price. Almost like starting from 2000 year to 2009, mid of 9, nothing happened in this stock. It just remained range bound. Then a still little up move came in, still a little up move came in till about from 85 rupees to about 140 rupees. But again, market remained range bound. And after that came a huge move. Suppose you would have exited your stocks in this space, or in this space, you would have lost the accumulation of wealth that you would have done by 2022. It started moving from 2014 till 2017. In 3 years, the stock became from 140 to 546. Huge amount of growth had come. And if you notice, let me count for you how many times the stock gave dividend. So since 2000 till 2022, the stock has given dividend almost like 35 times. The latest being, let me just show you how much is the dividend per share they have given. They have given a dividend of 6 rupees, right? If you have 80,000 stocks with you, 80,000 shares with you, multiplied with 6, you get almost like 5 lakh rupees. Or here, if you see, the dividend is 5 rupees, you get the dividend of 5 lakh rupees. So within a year, you get almost like 10 lakh rupees of dividend. See here, 5 rupees dividend. See here, dividend of 58 rupees. 58 rupees dividend is a huge amount of dividend on your 80,000 shares. Similarly here, 5 rupees, 16 rupees, 16.5 rupees, 8 rupees. In case you have 16, if you get 16 rupees dividend, you can imagine, how much money will you get? Almost like 10 lakh rupees. So this is the beauty of investing long term. So when we calculated from 1 lakh to 2 lakh 62.65 crores, we just did not add in this entire process the dividends that we have received, which could be also to the tune of about 1 crore rupees. So this makes it 3.65 crores. That's the profit, that's the benefit you get by investing stocks for long term. So in case you want to join me in a journey where I'm starting from 5 lakh to 5 crores, maybe 5 years, 10 years, I don't know how long will it take. Do join me on my YouTube channel, do join me on my Telegram channel, and I'm going to answer all your questions. And if you want to watch, you can go to the playlist. You can see the 5 crore to 5 CR and 30,000 to 3 lakh capital in few months. These are the 2 videos you can watch and understand what I'm really doing. Join me in the journey anytime, any minute. Start making money. And also, if you join me on Telegram channel, you will get the beautiful trades in which I myself trade, in which I'm trading myself. So this is what I wanted to share, and stay tuned and always remain alert when it comes to Stock Pro. We provide you best of research free of cost. The whole objective is that you make money along with Stock Pro, and I promise you to give you the world-class research every single day. With this, I'll be signing off and become an investor along with a trader. From every day's trading, pull out certain amount of money and invest in the stock market, and forget it. If you're in an age of 20 years, just think about what kind of wealth you will create when you will be in your 40s. So with this, I'll be signing off and see you in the next video. All the best, and remain always connected with Stock.